Mike Barrett, salesperson calls ahead. We set up a meeting, have an agenda. So far, so good. It's for, say, 11:50. They roll in 10 minutes late. What happens at Barrett Homes?
I think they've already kind of lost me.
Okay.
The meeting will happen still, I think.
You will,
but,
okay.
I'm going to throw them out. But they can't make the effort to show up on time. It doesn't speak to the future relationship very well.
Question for you, Adam, keep the mic right there. We often have this discussion about when should people show up for a meeting? Because sometimes they'd be like, hey, I'm going to get there early, 5 minutes early, 10 minutes late, but then I'm going to go another 10 minutes. And you show up 30 minutes early, and then you're just sitting around, you're shaking your head. What do you, pass the mic down, right?
Well, at that point, you almost are putting them out because they feel like they need to go talk to you. And so you're changing their schedule around also. It just...
Yes. That's where I'd feel.
It feels equally as rude as showing up 10 minutes late.
Say that again for me, please.
It feels equally as rude as showing 10 minutes late. Sorry.
Yes. We used to get the knock on the door, and they're like, Bradley,
Yeah.
Alex here. I'm like, what? Why? He's just sitting out there. And now I'm feeling guilty. I'm like, why? Now I feel guilty. It's his fault. Why are you here? Right? So what's the, Adam Lingenfelter, ideal time frame of showing up to meet with Lingenfelter Homes for a sales rep is what?
I like 10 to 15 minutes. Max.
10 or 15?
Yeah.
Okay. Right in there.
10 is about perfect.
Okay. 10's about perfect.